Hello everyone, it's Susan from Susan Salutations and PaperCraftCentral. I've been crafting tonight and I thought I'd share with you what I've been making. I've actually been playing with the new Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series papers that are coming out in the holiday catalogue from Stampin Up. And I decided I'd make a little wallet tonight. This is a special Christmas wallet. You know how you give people gift cards and gift vouchers and things like that for the holiday season sometimes. And this one has got a little word window sheet so you can put a photo in there. And this tag is the same size as a gift card. So you can slide one of those in behind your photo. And then this tag is a longer tag that you can write a message on. It just comes right out like that. So you can stamp on it or give messages. You can write on the front and the back of that. And of course then there is also a wallet pocket for you to add money or gift vouchers or whatever you want to add to a wallet for a present. And it's closed with a little tag made out of a double portion of the Designer Series paper stack. And that's it, and it was inspired by my paper craft, Gosia McKinnon. Okay, that's all for tonight. Good night now.